Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia and I invite you to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how I make super easy and delicious chili cheese corn dog muffins. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our sauce for our chili. So in a small pot, we're going to add 1 chile ancho and 3 chile guajillos. Just make sure that you clean them, and we're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring them to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer them into our blender cup. In a blender cup, we're also going to add 3 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 3 garlic cloves, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 cup of beef broth or water, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And now we're just going to blend until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so once we have our chile sauce, now we are ready to finish making our chili. Okay, so we're going to grab our frying pan or skillet, set it at medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. And just wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once oil is hot, we're going to add half of a small white onion and 1 chile jalapeno. And now we're going to saute for 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. And we're going to season our beef with 1 packet of chili seasoning, or I will leave each individual spice in the description box. Now we're just going to break down our meat. And we're going to allow our meat to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 2 cups of beans, but of course you can use your choice of beans. So just mix everything together and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Okay, so after a minute, we're going to add 10 ounces of diced tomatoes. So just mix it. And lastly, we're going to add our chile sauce. And I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of broth into my blender cup just so I can get the remaining sauce. Okay, so mix it. And at this point, you want to try for salt and see if you want to add any more. Okay, so now we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our chili is done, and let me tell you that it smells delicious. So now we're just going to turn it off and set it to the side, and meanwhile we can work on our cornbread muffins. Okay, so for our cornbread muffins, we're going to begin by mixing all of our wet ingredients first. So we're going to add 1 stick of butter, melted. Make sure that it is not hot. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1/3 of a cup of honey. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, or you can use sugar, but make sure that you mix it with your dry ingredients. We're also going to add 2 eggs at room temperature and 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can mix 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar and just let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're just going to mix everything together. Okay, so once we have a wet mixture, we're going to set it to the side. And now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Okay, so for our dry ingredients, we're going to mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're just going to mix all together. Okay, and slowly we're going to pour our wet mixture and mix it with the dry mixture. Okay, so now we're just going to incorporate everything together and make sure that you don't overbeat your batter. So just mix it. Okay, so once everything is nice and combined, we're going to add 4 hot dogs, and these are the ones that I'm using, but of course use your favorite. And I just cut them in half. And we're also going to add shredded cheese. So just mix it again. And at this point, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so as we have our mixture ready, now we are ready to transfer it to our muffin molds. Okay, so we're going to grab our muffin molds and we're going to spray them with non-stick cooking spray. And just grab a paper towel, remove the excess. Okay, so I'm going to be using my ice cream scooper, and I'm going to scoop 2 scoops of our mixture and place it on each mold. Okay, so once we have our muffin molds ready, now we're going to bake between 18 to 20 minutes or until they're nice and golden. Okay guys, so after 18 minutes, we're going to check on our muffins. So just be careful. Let me tell you, that smells delicious. So we're just going to poke them in the middle to make sure that they're fully cooked. And the toothpick is clean, so we're going to get both of them out. Okay, we're going to wait 5 minutes before removing our muffins from the mold. Alrighty guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to get our muffins out of the mold. And of course, just make sure that your area is clean. And look how beautiful they look. And now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course, you serve it however you want. I'm just going to show you how I like to serve mine. So I'm going to grab my delicious chili and top it on top of our muffin. And of course, you add as much as you want. I'm going to top it with some shredded cheese. Going to top it with a little sour cream. And of course, some green onions. Alrighty, and just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious chili cheese corn dog muffins. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. The cornbread is super moist. The chili, it is a little bit on the spicy side, but if you don't want it to be spicy, just don't add the chili chipotles. For me, it's seriously the best. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. It's a perfect combination. The cornbread, it's on the sweeter side, but you can always adjust it by adding less sweetened condensed milk, less sugar. For me, it's perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious chili cheese corn dog muffins. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.